Hi, my name's Pamela Pose. I'm a librarian at Sacramento City College, and I wanted to talk about using extensions with your Firefox web browser. Extensions are little programs that allow you to add features to your browser and personalize your browser. They're really easy to install. You want to start by loading up your browser. So I have Firefox ready to go here. And then always make sure you go to the right store for your browser. So I'm going to look for extensions for the Firefox browser. So one of the easy ways to do this is simply by going to a search engine like Google and searching for the name of your browser and then the word extensions. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the top link here. And here I am. I'm in the extensions for Mozilla. Mozilla is the corporation that owns Firefox, so anytime you're looking for ways to change Firefox, if you go online, you're going to find yourself at the Mozilla website most likely. So the extension that I want to add to Firefox, and it's a really useful one, you'll see why, is one called Clearly. So I'm going to just do a little search. And there are different things that come up because, for example, I entered the word clear, so that's why these are coming up. This is the one that I want, Evernote Clearly. So all I have to do is click that little Add to Firefox button right there. And then it gives me this option. It tells me I need to be careful, so it's allowing me, if I suddenly decide that I don't think this is a safe extension, I don't have to install it. And then I click Install Now. And then I have to restart my browser. I either can click Restart Now, or I'm actually going to go up here and quit Firefox just to make sure I know what it's doing. And then I'm going to start it up again. This is just a little feature that I have set up on mine. And then my homepage is the Yahoo homepage. So I have this little icon up here that wasn't here before. This is the Clearly icon, and this is how we use that extension. So I'll show you how it works because I think you're going to appreciate how nice it is. I'm going to show you a page where there's a lot of extra stuff displayed on the page, ads and everything. So I'm going to do macaroni. I'm not going to be particular about it, so I'm just going to go into allrecipes.com because I just want to show you how this works. I'm not really trying to find a macaroni and cheese recipe. So the page finally loaded. You notice I get an ad right away. So I'm going to simply go into one of these recipes. So you notice there's a lot of information on here, a lot of ads on the side. If I click my little Clearly icon, give it a minute, and this is all the information I really need. So let's try another one. Let's try this one. No, I don't want that. So again, I'm going to click my little icon. And again, this is the basic information from the page, the text. So if I want to change the way it displays, I can do that. And then print it, for example. And it's gonna, let's click preview, see what it looks like. There it is. Here's the recipe. And you notice it's sort of nice. It has the URL up in this corner, which is useful because I always want to make sure I know where I got the information from. I'm going to shut that down though. I don't want to do that right now. So you can see how that's really quite a useful little extension. If there's an extension that I decide I don't want to use, here's a way that you can edit your extensions. Go into Firefox and go into Preferences. Now I am using a Mac, so this is going to look a little bit different, but you should be able to find most of the same features uh, on a PC as well, as long as you're using Firefox. I go into Manage Add-ons. It displays everything that I have loaded on my computer, so you can see that I actually have quite a lot of extensions loaded on this computer, although I could add a lot more. And then I can do preferences or disable it. I also can get more add-ons. So for example, let me go back and see what I had. I could, for example, add, let's see if I can find Web of Trust on this. And here we go. I talked about Web of Trust in another video. It's another really useful one, and I can install it here. And again, it's going to open up after I restart my Firefox. So that's how you can use extensions in Firefox. The other thing that you might want to do is do just a general search for useful Firefox extensions. And you can see people write all sorts of things about things that are useful that you might want to add to your browser. So that's it. I hope you find this useful and that you add a bunch of useful extensions to Firefox. Thanks. Bye.